always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
Well, here we go. Yeah, 10 days away from Christmas, Hanukkah underway, and happy Hanukkah to those of you who celebrate. And here we go, kicking off this new week with windy weather. Wind advisory is in effect until 7 p.m. It is blustery out there. Winds out of the northeast sustain 20 to 25 miles per hour and gusts as high as 35. In fact, you can see it here as we look from our Miami Beach camera. The surf, it is rough. The ocean looks angry. It's cloudy out there. We've got the winds that are carrying in a few showers too. Temperatures right now 73 degrees. So today is going to be cooler than yesterday, not only because of a front that moved in, but because of the clouds and some of the rain and the wind. We can see another cloudy view here as we look from our back window. And I can tell you that our radar is active. We do have some fast moving showers that are riding in on that breeze. Currently, some rain I'm tracking in Fort Lauderdale, Pembroke Pines, Aventura. Also some showers over Color Bay, Homestead, Key Biscayne. So hang on to the umbrella, especially with how gusty those winds are. And some showers moving near Key Largo and Isla Mirada. Temperatures currently in the low 70s, 73 in Fort Lauderdale and in Miami and Key West, and 73 in Kendall, 72 in Pembroke Pines. The wind is sustained 18, 22 miles an hour at this time, and gusts as high as 33 in Fort Lauderdale, 29 in Miami, 28 in Key West, and gusts could reach 30 to 35 as we head through the afternoon. Through the evening, about 20 to 25. So yes, throughout the day today, the winds will be cranking. So you may want to wait to walk your dog until a little bit later when we don't have the showers around, or at least things begin to settle down and it's not as windy. This is Casanova, and oh, what a beautiful dog. And remember, you can send in photos of your pups, your fur babies, to pics at cvsmiami.com. I love to share them during our new newscast. It is not safe to go swimming in the ocean. All right, this is the case through Thursday. We have a high risk of rip currents and also a high surf advisory in Fort Lauderdale. So you have been warned. Also a heads up, it's not a day to be boating. Really going to be rough out there. Small craft advisory over the Atlantic waters and the Keys. Looking at our next weather rain tracker, you'll notice a couple of showers through the afternoon, early evening, then things quiet down later tonight, and then temperatures will be dropping. It'll be cooler tomorrow. You need your sweaters and jackets when you wake up. 60 in West and 61 in Southwest Ranches, 67 in Fort Lauderdale, 64 in Miami Lakes, 62 in Miami, 69 in Key Biscayne, and the upper 60s across the Keys. Tomorrow, highs will be in the upper 70s with more sunshine and drier conditions. And to Wednesday, we'll be waking up to the mid 60s, highs in the upper 70s. There you see that gradual warm up. By the end of the week, we'll see lows close to 70, highs in the low 80s with a potential for spotty showers through the weekend.